Hi everyone, welcome to our geology class. We discussed the previous class tooth and the dental formula and the tooth structure. So we will discuss the structure of tongue, and the tongue is present in the mouth. Present in the mouth. So mouth present in the tongue. Tongue is a muscular tissue. So these muscular tissue with the help is a digestion of food with the saliva, food mixing and declusion of mechanism and speaking functions, and which act as a universal toothbrush, which act as a universal toothbrush universal toothbrush. So the tongue is very important for us, and tongue is the food digestion and with the saliva movement of the muscular movement. So that the tongue is mainly the upper surface of projection like structures, that is called the upper surface of projection like structures is known as papillae. These papillae is a taste buds presented. These taste buds have four types. So what are they? What are the types? Let us discuss. So this is a tip of the tongue and middle of the tongue and anterior part of the tongue. So this is the anterior part. This is the posterior part. So in this posterior part, we discussed the posterior part. This is a posterior part. Posterior part is a fungiform papillae, fungiform and filiform papillae and foliate papillae, and this one foliate papillae, and this is a circus present, that is called circumvallate papillae. So this is the four types of papillae presence. It is a mainly function of the detection of taste. So that's why we are called taste buds. So these taste buds have four types: circumvallate, foliate, filiform and fungiform. So which is mainly functions like sweets, salts, sours, bitter. Four types of various which regions have taste. We have continuously we are observed to tongue. So we will move to the what is the sweet taste buds we are observed. Sweet taste buds is the fungiform. So that is the tip of the tongue, means fungiform papillae taste sweet taste the fungiform papillae, and salt is known as tip sides. So that is tip sides. So tip of the sides, the taste we can taste salts we are observed. For example, if you take the salts, middle region salts observed, and the tip place is a sugar observed, and sour is a presence in the base sides, and the circumvallate is a base, that is a bitter. So base region observe the four types of taste buds present. So that's why four types of sweets, salts, sours, bitters. So this type of tongue is taste observed like tongue. So tongue is a universal toothbrush. It acts as a universal toothbrush. That's why mixing with saliva food and tastes of detection and declusion and speaking of others. So that's why the tongue is very important. Okay, thank you.